Hey breakholders, this is the second day of the launch week, and today I'm super pumped to present you the CRM templates feature. For a while now, actually, we had templates, but let's be honest, like the more we advance, the more the system got older. We basically made a very stronger version. So it totally feels like a new feature because there's some things that were not possible in the past. This is a feature essentially. You go to the settings and then you go to the template section, and if you click on create template, now you're going to be able to create like email templates, which already was possible in the past, but also now you're going to be able to create like templates for messages, specifically for LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Telegram. And so you can decide if you want it to be email or like message, like social message. And from there, just build your templates. And so if you're an agency and you have multiple workspaces, this is pretty helpful for you guys because you can also make the template public so that it's available across all the different workspaces you have for your clients. So this is pretty helpful. So back to the template now, it's just like a regular template. So obviously, like you can like just name it the way you want, put a quick description. But the cool thing about this is that in the past, it was not possible to use like the your custom fields in the templates, especially for messages. Like for emails, it was possible, but it was not possible for like messages. And now you can use it. You can see like you can just put the first name, last name, the regular fields, but also your custom fields. So which could be a lot of things essentially. And so from there you can just build your template and save it. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Because from there you can like quickly duplicate your templates, create new ones, quickly modify the ones you just duplicated, and then when you are in an email conversation or a message conversation with LinkedIn or Telegram, like yeah, just right here you can just open your template and use it, and that's pretty much about it. This is how it works. So yeah, like hope you're gonna like this feature, and let's see ourselves together tomorrow for the new feature of the launch week. Cheers, bye.